Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy M11 that's launched in India today for the price of 12,999 for the 4GB RAM variant and 10,999 or 11,000 for the 3GB RAM variant. The 4GB RAM variant comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and the MRP is given as 14,999 but the actual price is 12,999. And this is the metallic blue variant that I had purchased from the store. And if you haven't check out the Galaxy M01 unboxing as well, that is already done on our channel. And stay tuned for more videos that are going to go live with the comparisons, with the gaming review and everything else for both the devices. So that one is coming in the budget range, while this one would enter the mid-range market. So this is at 13,000 while the Galaxy M01 was priced at around 9,000 rupees for the 3GB and 32GB option. So this is the quick unboxing. Firstly, as soon as you open the package, what you see are these set of booklets, which would include the quick start guide, the regional log guide, as well as the warranty card. So a proper set of booklets that are given here. Next, you have the device itself. So this is the metallic blue option that is one of the color options available, but we had only the blue available at the store where I was going to buy this. And you have a clear fingerprint sensor, at least, which was missing in the Galaxy M01. So that was not present in the M01, but you have it here on the M11, and this is also a matte finish. So you might see some smudges with a longer usage, but you won't see any fingerprints because of the matte finish that is given here. Now on the front you don't have a screen guard, so obviously you'll have to buy one separately and place it, either a screen guard or a tempered screen solution or a tempered glass. But with the charging, what you see here is the 15-watt charger that is given in the box package. So you have a 15-watt with the 9V 1.67A support, while this 5V 2A as well, so that this can charge any other 10-watt devices if you're using the same adapter. So at least with the M11 you have that support for the 15-watt adaptive fast charge, and you have the USB Type-C port, which indicates that the phone has USB Type-C connectivity, which is a good thing. And finally what you have here is the SIM card ejector tool. So these are the accessories. You don't have any earphones or even the case or a screen guard in the box package, so you'll have to buy all of those separately. So before we set up the phone, let me talk about the different things in the physical aspect of the device. So on the front you have a 6.4-inch display with the HD plus resolution, that's 720 into 1520 pixels of HD plus resolution. Infinity O display, so you have the punch hole display with that 8 megapixel selfie camera as a part of the display towards the corner. On the right you have the power button as well as the volume rocker button. So this is unlike the M01, which had the volume rocker buttons on the left side. On the top you have the 3.5mm headset jack here. There's also a secondary microphone which was missing in the M01, and on the left you have the SIM card access area. So let's open that as well. And you have that dedicated micro SD card slot here, so you don't have an issue about the storage expansion. You can do that well. And towards the bottom you have the speaker grill and the USB Type-C port as well as the microphone. Now let's quickly set this up and now show you the interface and the other features of the Galaxy M11. So now, as you can notice, under the protect your phone section you have the face recognition as well as the fingerprints, because there's a fingerprint sensor present on the back of the device. Nothing surprising, obviously, in this price range you expect that, but it was worth a mention because the M01 has only the face unlock and there's no fingerprint sensor there. And now for the smart tutor or these kind of recommended applications, let's just skip them off and go towards the final setup. So this is the home screen, and as you know, this is Samsung One UI 2.0 based on Android 10, and that's the latest Android OS version, and One UI 2.0 is the latest customized interface from Samsung. Let me reduce the brightness a bit and it would be clear enough. And so if you go into the other sections such as the storage, where you can see how much is the storage available for the user. So this is a 64GB variant and you have about 49.4GB available to the user, and apart from that, under the interface you have most of the motion and gesture features, since things are at least well available in this one. You have the side key, smart pop-up view, and motion and gesture features, which include double tap to wake and finger sensor gestures, and panic mode, dual messenger, which was present on even the M01. Now if you go into the display settings, you have the options for dark mode and adaptive brightness both, and the home screen can be set out and the navigation bar settings can be changed as well. Under the biometrics and security, you have face recognition and fingerprints. And this phone supports USB OTG, so that's there as well. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery, so that's a good thing here to see. We'll be doing a separate battery test as well as the battery drain and battery charging test to see how much time does it take for the 15-watt charger to charge a 5000 mAh device from Samsung from 0 to 100. And if you go into the camera setup, so this has a triple camera combination. Let's talk about that. So this is a triple camera combination where you have a 13 megapixel camera, that's the primary one, then a 5 megapixel wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So there are three cameras. There's no macro camera here, but the three cameras include a primary, a wide angle camera and a depth camera that would help in the portrait shots. On the front you have an 8 megapixel selfie camera, but if you go into the camera interface, what you see here is the option of a regular or a wide angle camera. So this can be easily switched from one to the another, and live focus will help take those portrait shots or the background defocus shots with the 2 megapixel depth camera in action. Next you have the panorama mode, the pro mode as well. In pro mode you can change the ISO, white balance and the exposure value. If you go into the videos, let's see how much is the video supported here. It should obviously be 1080p because the chipset here is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450. So you don't have a lot to expect from Snapdragon 450. We'll be doing the separate gaming review anyway, in which we'll show you the benchmarks as well as the gaming possibilities of this device. But Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 cannot do a lot. So that's it in this video. This was a quick hands-on and the unboxing with the Samsung Galaxy M11, the metallic blue variant. We'll be soon doing the gaming review and the other comparisons with the smartphones in the same price range, so stay tuned for those as well. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching and see you next video.